I'm making an animation of sulfuric acid.
We're using Flash to learn chemistry.
There's been a real fundamental change in the way schools deliver curriculum and learning opportunities to our students.
Select the inside and change the color. I'm a science teacher. In the mid-90s, I started to think that kids would benefit really well from learning with computers. So we, as a district, adopted Dreamweaver and Flash and all of the Adobe products.
Mr. Dawson, how do I make a turn?
Okay, you just right-click on it. So if I teach a concept, for example, potential and kinetic energy, I'll teach them what it is text-wise. And now I'm asking them through Flash to show me that they understand it. And then, since it's an authoring tool, we post it on the web, and it gives them a published work. My kids know that people are going to see it everywhere, so they make a bigger effort to make it right. All right, now you got two beakers you need to mix together. What the concept is that we're working on right now are acids and bases. They can do an acid or a base. They choose whatever they want to do. And then they have to create an animation that shows the elements that combine together to make that acid or a base. It's not a hard concept to learn, but once they do it together, they get it. It's something that they'll keep with them for a long, long time.
You're actually seeing it instead of just looking in the boring old textbook.
Just makes it a lot more exciting.
I find that the Creative Suite is so easy to use because everything works together. And when they're done, their products are professional. 4 columns, 25% each. And because they all do it, they'll learn from each other. They'll learn what one kid did is a little different than the next kid, and they get better at it because they're competing and they're showing each other.
Click Command Z.
It's more project-oriented, it's more team-oriented, which is what business and industry keeps telling school districts they need.
Now do the rest on your own. I find that Flash gives the kids the ability to let their imagination soar. I don't have kids that don't want to be there. They don't ask me anymore, what am I learning this for? They want to be there, they want to do it. When I'm teaching a concept and a kid comes up with a new idea to show it, a new way to show it, it kind of makes the hairs on the back of my head stand up straight because I didn't think of it. And to do it in their own way is the best way for them to learn because they get it that way.